Quoting a statement released by the National Security Council, or NSC, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro said there are no American military bases in the Philippines, and the EDCA sites remain fully owned, controlled, and managed by the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP. The NSC said EDCA sites are Philippine military facilities, not U.S. bases. These locations are jointly developed for training, humanitarian assistance, and disaster response, and strengthening the country's defense posture. It added that no EDCA site is being used to launch attacks, and President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has been firm that the facilities will not be used for offensive operations. NSC said Iran's strikes targeted U.S. facilities in neighboring countries, underscoring that the Philippines is not part of the conflict zone and faces no credible direct threat.
There are no American military bases in the Philippines. The sites referred to under the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, or EDCA, are Philippine military bases that remain under the full ownership, control, and management of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. The National Security Council, in coordination with the